Over 60? Add this to coffee to rebuild muscles fast. Do your legs feel weak? I'm about to show you how this simple morning coffee trick rebuilds lost strength fast and fights sarcopenia. Most people think muscle weakness is just part of aging, but the real problem is muscle protein breakdown happening faster than muscle creation. What I'm sharing today are 2 cheap kitchen ingredients that tip those scales back in your favor, and one of them smells amazing. As a muscle health specialist who's worked with thousands of adults in their 60s and 70s, I've discovered this specific coffee combination helps people feel powerful and stable within weeks. I'm sharing 2 cheap ingredients that turn your morning coffee into a strength-building machine. And number 2 actually helps your muscles absorb protein up to 40% more efficiently. Let's start with the first ingredient. This might surprise you because it's probably the most powerful muscle-building protein you can add to coffee, yet most people over 60 never think to use it this way. First ingredient, high-quality whey protein powder. Adding just 1 scoop of whey protein to your morning coffee delivers all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild themselves stronger and more resilient. Here's why this works so well. Whey protein contains the highest concentration of leucine among all protein sources. Leucine is like a key that unlocks your muscle-building machinery, signaling your body to start creating new muscle tissue. Unlike other proteins that can take hours to break down, whey protein gets absorbed into your bloodstream within 20 minutes. This rapid delivery is crucial because your muscles are most responsive to protein first thing in the morning after fasting all night. How to use it? Choose unflavored or vanilla whey protein, isolate for the cleanest taste in coffee. Add 1 scoop, about 25 grams, to your hot coffee and stir vigorously. If it seems to clump, let the coffee cool slightly before adding the protein. Look for whey from grass-fed cows when possible, as it contains higher levels of beneficial fatty acids. If you're lactose intolerant, whey protein isolate has virtually no lactose and is usually well tolerated. Betty, a 71-year-old from Oregon, told me she used to grip the handrail tightly going downstairs, always afraid of falling. She felt like her legs had become unreliable, which made her avoid social activities. After 6 weeks of adding whey protein to her morning coffee routine, she started taking dance lessons again. She said it felt like her legs remembered how to be strong and coordinated. While whey protein provides the raw materials your muscles need, this next ingredient acts like a turbocharger, helping your body use that protein more effectively than ever before. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments which city and country you're joining me from today. Also, I've created a free muscle-building meal plan designed specifically for people over 60 with recipes and timing that really work. Check the link in the first comment below. Second ingredient, Ceylon cinnamon. Adding just 1 teaspoon of this special type of cinnamon to your protein coffee can dramatically improve how your muscles use the protein, while also helping stabilize your blood sugar for sustained energy. Here's the science made simple. Ceylon cinnamon contains powerful compounds called polyphenols that enhance insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means your muscles can pull amino acids from your bloodstream more efficiently and use them to build new muscle tissue. Think of insulin as the delivery truck that carries protein building blocks to your muscle cells. Ceylon cinnamon makes those delivery trucks work faster and more efficiently, ensuring none of that valuable protein gets wasted. How to use it? Add 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder to your whey protein coffee and mix well. Ceylon cinnamon is milder and sweeter than regular cinnamon, so it actually improves the taste while delivering these muscle benefits. Start with half a teaspoon. If you're not used to cinnamon, then work up to a full teaspoon. The key is using Ceylon cinnamon specifically, not regular cassia cinnamon, as Ceylon has more beneficial compounds and less coumarin. You can find Ceylon cinnamon at most health food stores or online. It's worth the small extra cost because of its superior nutritional profile and gentler effect on your system. James, a 69-year-old retired mechanic from Texas, came to me because he couldn't lift his toolbox anymore. Simple tasks, like changing a light bulb or carrying groceries, had become exhausting challenges. After 2 months of this protein and cinnamon coffee routine, he started doing home repair projects again. His wife said he had his old energy back, and neighbors began asking for his help with small fixes around their houses. Here's what makes this combination so powerful. Most people focus only on getting enough protein, but they ignore the timing and absorption factors that make protein actually useful for building muscle. Your muscles are most receptive to protein synthesis in the morning after your overnight fast. During sleep, your body breaks down some muscle tissue for energy. The first 30 minutes after waking is when your muscles are literally hungry for amino acids to start rebuilding. The cinnamon doesn't just help with protein absorption, it also helps prevent the blood sugar spike that can sometimes come with protein powder, giving you steady energy instead of a rush, followed by a crash. Consistency is everything with this approach. Your muscles adapt to regular nutrition patterns. It's better to have this protein coffee 4 days a week for 2 months than to be perfect for 2 weeks, and then stop. Complete morning protocol. Let me walk you through the complete morning protocol that's transformed strength and energy for so many people. Start by brewing your regular coffee, about 8 ounces at your preferred strength. While it's still hot but not boiling, add 1 scoop of whey protein powder and stir immediately to prevent clumping. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon and mix thoroughly until everything is dissolved. Drink this within 30 minutes of waking up, ideally before eating anything else. This timing maximizes protein synthesis when your muscles are most responsive to amino acids. The combination creates a powerful synergy. The whey provides rapid-acting amino acids, the cinnamon enhances absorption and prevents energy crashes, and the coffee's caffeine can actually help with protein synthesis and fat burning. Here's what you can realistically expect. In the first week, many people notice more stable energy throughout the morning without the usual mid-morning fatigue. Your muscles may feel less stiff when you first get up. By weeks 2 to 3, you might notice it's easier to get up from low chairs, carry heavier items, or feel more stable when walking on uneven surfaces. Your legs may feel more solid and dependable. After 4 to 6 weeks, many people report feeling confident taking on physical tasks they'd been avoiding, like gardening, rearranging furniture, or playing more actively with grandchildren. Remember, everyone responds at their own pace. Some people notice changes quickly, others take longer. The important thing is giving your body consistent nutrition and being patient with the process. Safety and considerations. Before starting this routine, especially if you have kidney issues, diabetes, or take medications, please check with your healthcare provider. Whey protein is generally very safe, but your doctor knows your specific health situation. If you have dairy sensitivity, start with a small amount of whey isolate to test your tolerance. Ceylon cinnamon is much gentler than regular cinnamon, but people on blood-thinning medications should still consult their doctor first. Your muscle strength doesn't have to decline with age. Every morning is a new opportunity to give your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild themselves stronger. This isn't about dramatic transformations, it's about steady, reliable progress. To recap, high-quality whey protein for rapid amino acid delivery, Ceylon cinnamon for enhanced absorption and blood sugar stability, combined with your morning coffee when your muscles are primed to grow. Which of these ingredients will you add to your coffee first? Let me know in the comments, and remember, small consistent actions create lasting strength. Here's to feeling powerful again.